Name is Kiki, I live in a tree. I sell bikinis for 1990. Big or small, whatever you choose, it all depends on the size of your boob. Okay, so me and Steven are gonna play I Spy with my big little eye.
You're recording your hair right now. Okay.
Wait.
Thank you. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with L.
I wonder. L. Would it be a ladder? Nope. Could it be? Give me a hint.
In the room.
No. Ladder. No. Loft.
Loft is a little house.
Yeah, I know. Can you guys help me? Give me a hint. A better hint than You put your finger in there, right?
Record the... What the hell is that?
Wait a minute, what was it? I give up. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with or.
Radical.
What?
Radical.
No.
Damn, we already lost one part back.
So, no, it's not radical. Oh, yeah.
Something beginning with O.
I give you a hint, it always happens in Ireland.
Rain.
No.
Not really. Racing.
Maybe no. Now joking, it's raining. That was a big, that was a big hint. Don't give me, no. We'll be back when Steven just now that it's not 1 point to him because I give him a really big hint.
1 point to him. It's Thursday, yo. Yeah, yo. We're gonna all do all this crap. Look, I'm black.
Racist?
Not racist. I'm just recording my shadow. See? It's a nice shadow. So it's Thursday. Second proper vlog. Well, not really.
Thursday.
So where are we going?
We're going home. After having a day at town. Really crappy.
We went to Dublin town on our own.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope they didn't see that.
And
that was so wrong. Cause you don't want to see what's happening over there.
Yeah, there you go. They're like two girls on top of
See,
each other.
that was so wrong. I recorded for them.
I'm just saying this. Me and Rhiannon were playing this game yesterday, but that just sit on their lap, not on them.
Yeah,
That girl's probably dying under there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's getting smothered.
Yeah. Luckily vlogs for the win.
Yeah, we're going to tell you about our holiday at Fuerteventura, Canary Island.
There's this Chinese lady always found stuff and she kept following us. She kept vlogging us going like, yeah. Like, she held this glow stick thing and she's like, yeah.
You what?
And once, like every time we were eating food, we just see her outside the restaurant going,
Yeah, there's millions of them.
yeah, they're like clones. Okay, hey, thumbs up for Chinese ladies.
And when our last day, we saw, when we were coming to the pool, we saw a naked, well, not really naked lady, but a girl sunbathing, right? She hadn't got a bra on, but she had her, like, bikini knickers.
Yeah,
Bikini bottom.
weird.
Bikini bottom.
Bikini bottom. SpongeBob. Thumbs up for naked. Not really.
Thumbs down for naked lady.
Well, for girls. But if you're a boy, thumbs up for naked lady.
She was really kind. And then she had a boyfriend, and her boyfriend was like,
Looking at
hadn't
him.
had
Just like,
oh look, there's Steven, the weirdo friend.
yo, Tommy, what's up? Okay, sorry. Holy shit. Tom, we're just recording for YouTube. Cool. Our first,
What's that?
second vlog.
Lovely vlog.
Rugby vlog. Yo, Kev. Can I shut No. Okay. Yeah, we just went to town together on our own.
Yo, what?
We went to town. Me and him. Yeah. Say hi to YouTube. I mean, YouTube, Tom. Hey. And Kevin. What's hanging? What's hanging? Oh, my winning. Oh yeah. I'm like edit that bit out. I'm not sure.
Like,
Cause I
like it.
nice bike. Tom, show YouTube your bike. Nice bike. Shit. How long have you been like in town?
Like,
2 hours? How long have you been?
well, we went to 11.
5 minutes. Really? Yeah.
It's like you got off the bus.
Yeah.
Where's your mom?
She's at home.
No,
Oh, she's at Tesco.
Car's not there.
Yeah, she's at Tesco.
Tesco's.
Tesco. So,
Tesco.
To the Yo, we're live again. Did I just say we're live again? We're live again. Wait, who's that waiting on the wall? Kevin and Eve. Okay. Oh yeah, this is your mama's brother. Yeah, okay.
Chicken, licking, chicken, licking, chicken.
Kicking. Yeah, this is the park in front of our house. Very nice, very nice. And this is our road. Yeah, okay. Try not to be in head, Ellen. Okay, alright.
To the C, to the E, to the S, to the C, to the O.
I get around.
How do you know you?
I get around.
Yeah, but how do you like how you feel?
Good. She knows her mom. He works at Tesco.
Oh yeah. You're always a Tesco.
Well, no, I'm not. My mom's always at Tesco. Thumbs up for Tesco. It's taking over the world.
You really work.
First it was at England. Now it's at Ireland. I mean, come on. It's taking over the
You
whole...
worked at like the end of one of those self-helping check-ins.
Yeah.
Dipshit.
That's you on YouTube! Top this guy. Okay. My ass is sweaty. Whoa! You better not put up your finger to me. My ass is sweaty. Hold on. Yo! Random guy. Just kidding. Yeah, so we're home, kind of. Not really. I don't think Mitch is home. I hope he's not. I hope he's home.
I know. Then we
Cause like,
what time? Oh yeah. Then we can even. Then we can sleep together.
he's no money though. How much? Where?
In my brain.
Where's your purse?
I can't tell you, can I?
In garage.
Yeah.
Where's the door? Sorry, yo.
Oh, Steven.
Chilling, playing some Xbox. Oh yeah. That's it was raining. It's kind of windy. And we live in Ireland. So yeah. Remote control, yay.